Verifying your Bitget crypto account doesn't have to be a hassle. Come with me, let me show you how to do it step by step. But first, why is verification even important? Well, it ensures you're complying with local regulations and helps protect your account, your funds, and the entire Bitget community. Let's get started. Step 1 is to download the Bitget account from the Play Store or the App Store and open the app. Click Continue, then get started. Here, you create an account. You can use your email, phone number, or even log in using Google, Apple ID, or Telegram. Let's go old school with our email and password. You need a strong password that contains uppercase, lowercase, symbols, signs, and the rest to keep your account secure. Once done, verification code is going to be sent to your inbox. Grab that code and paste it in here. Now you can also enable biometrics for quick and secure logins. Now it's time to verify your account. Click on Verify. Please note you need a government-issued documentation and a quick-phased verification. This helps ensure your account is secure and meets South African regulations. Tap Verify now. Select South Africa as your country of residence, and again select South Africa for the document issuing country. Choose your ID type. Bitget supports either your national ID or passport. Now confirm you live outside the US and let's begin. We'll use the ID card option. Take a clear photo of the front of your ID card. Make sure all text is readable, then click Document is readable. Do the same for the back of your ID card, then again confirm everything is visible and readable. Before we move to face verification, here are a few helpful tips to get right. Take a clear, well-lit photo, avoid blurriness or shadows. Only one Bitget account for one person. Don't use the same ID on multiple accounts. Make sure your ID is valid and not expired. Use your original document, no laminated or altered image documents. And of course, the document must be yours. And the face must match. Now let's complete the face verification. Look directly into the camera and center your face in the frame. It takes a few seconds. The tip is be in the right space with good lighting for best results. And that's it. Your level 1 verification will be processed in some few minutes. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation email. You are all set. Log into your verified Bitget account and start depositing. Welcome to Smarter Crypto Trading with Bitget.